Independence Day, Nigeria. Make sure you grow your own food.
Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. Make sure you grow your own food.
Welcome to our special celebration of Independence Day. Today, as we not only mark our hard-won freedom, we are honoring the rich legacy of our nation and also embracing the vital theme of grow your own food.
I'm so excited today because we are celebrating Nigeria, and not just that, we are creating awareness to the public about how we can grow our own food.
And now farming is now so smart. We now practice smart agriculture where you can grow your food yourself, and you don't need that big land to do that. Just plant using sack. You can plant using the flower vase. You turn those flower vase to edible flower vase, where you can now use those flower vase to grow what you can produce. And that is what Adbond Homes is talking about.
Say big thanks to our team from the management down to the physical staff, down to the virtual staff, the media department, the arts group department. Everyone has done exceedingly well. I mean, people came out from every part of Nigeria, just to celebrate Nigeria. We can't give up on our dear country, Nigeria. There's still a whole lot we can do out there. And we have people, names doing so many good things out there. And we are saying agriculturally as well, we can do so many big things.